Now we are going to see the topic rebuttal of dilemma. Now rebuttal of dilemma is a process in which conclusion is opposite to the original conclusion. While rebutting complex constructive dilemma, consequent is a counter dilemma. Means by this example we will come to know that what is the difference and what will the change will be in this example after making the complex constructive dilemma into the rebuttal of complex constructive dilemma. So first, in the previous lectures, in the previous videos, we have seen what is the complex constructive dilemma and what is the symbolic form. So complex constructive dilemma's symbolic form is if P then Q and R then S, means here all the letters are different. From this brackets, the first letter will come here in the minor premise, means P or R. Therefore, in second, the remaining two letters will come Q or S. So according to it, the example is given here. If you do exercise regularly, then you will become fit. This is P and Q. And R or S means if you eat fast food, then you will become weak. So P or R means either you do exercise or you eat fast food. Then Q or S, either you will become fit or you will become weak. So now we have to make the rebuttal. So rebuttal of complex constructive dilemma. In this, first in the bracket we have to write bracket, then P. If P then from this second bracket the last letter will come here and it will be added as a negation, means if P then this last letter means negation S. Then and. Then the first bracket, second bracket's first letter is R, means R then, and remaining one is Q, means then if R then negation Q. Now in this complex constructive dilemma, the minor premise is P or R. It will be same in this rebuttal, P or R, and this is also same here, Q or S, but the positions are changed, S or Q, and the negation is added. This is the difference between the complex constructive dilemma and rebuttal of complex constructive dilemma. म्हणजे पहिलं आपल्याला कॉम्प्लेक्स कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह डायलेमाचं सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म माहीत पाहिजे. आता इथे रेब्युटल करताना कसं असतं की पहिलं पी, इफ पी देन, अँड दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटचा जो लास्ट लेटर असतो एस, तो आपल्याला इथे असं लिहायला लागेल. म्हणजे पी इफ पी देन अँड द निगेशन इथे ॲड करायचं, म्हणजे पी इफ पी देन निगेशन एस, देन अँड. आता दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटचा जो पहिला आर आहे तो इथे आपण राईट केल्यानंतर आर देन इट्स द रिमेनिंग वन, मीन्स आता बघ इथे पी फर्स्ट पी लिहिल्यानंतर पी देन सेकंड ब्रॅकेटचा लास्ट लेटर म्हणजे निगेशन एस, अँड कसं इथे फर्स्ट राईट करताना आपण फर्स्ट लेटर घ्यायचं, तसंच सेकंडमध्ये पण फर्स्ट लेटर आर देन अँड निगेशन राहिलेला लेटर काय आहे क्यू, त्याला आपण निगेशन क्यू, म्हणजे हे झालं फर्स्ट स्टेप. आणि इथे जो आहे मायनर प्रिमाइस पी और आर तोच इथे सेम येतं, पी और आर, आणि हे क्यू और एस आहे ते सेम इथे असणार आहे, फक्त त्याचं पोझिशन चेंज होते, एस और क्यू, आणि इथे निगेशन दोन्हीकडे. अशा प्रकारे हे कॉम्प्लेक्स कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह डायलेमा अँड इज अ रेब्युटल ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह डायलेमा, कॉम्प्लेक्स कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह डायलेमा. Then if you do exercise regularly, then you will not become weak. Now here negation is, so here not is added, and if you eat fast food, then you will not become fit. So P or R means either you do exercise or you eat fast food, and either you will not become weak or you will not become fit. This is the complex constructive dilemma and the rebuttal of complex constructive dilemma. For this, first you have to know the formation symbolic form of the complex constructive dilemma. From this you can take out this rebuttal of complex constructive dilemma. In the next video we will see the examples and the complex destructive dilemma conversion into the rebuttal of complex destructive dilemma.